sa Mpumalanga, Ilanga Mall, Mpumalanga International Film Festival. We are the people locals there. Namsala October nebantwana ke bala Mpumalanga ba showcase ama movie abo noma documentaries. Then Zambam kuyobe ku-on na entrance la. Ngama balloon. Ubona? Carpet leli ready njengoba kusiwa i-red carpet. Ngabaya abachasi. NVF labadila ngamafilimu Mbombela ikhona. Masipala wala Mpumalanga. Mercedes Benz. Sinetha streaming platform les. Nayani SABC lapha. Lamanye wabona ngathi nyawadoja ngwabili. Okay? Not local as recognize na South Africa lapha basi proud South African. Nabanye nabachaza khona la Mzansi. Then kunema company khona la Southern Sector la Mpumalanga. So yeah, tawabona tsayira soba interviewer bayobe bala. Konke kuyobe kwendeka la. Kuyobe libukele Steak Nico.
Okay, good evening, guys. That's what I'm going to say.
Hey guys, I wish I could guess that, but
I'm going to get tipsy.
right.
Connections, vibrations.
66 nami ngubambe kahle nya.
No, number driver anymore, but it's She was a guess.
Yeah. Uwabonile amafilimu ala Mpumalanga nikwazi ari ngomane. So ngifuna i-feedback.
I think that wonke umuntu unekhono
Yes.
lokwenza noma ngabe ngibonile lapha lo muntu usebenzisa ama-opportunity yokuthi uthathe ikhono lakhe lokudweba
Yeah.
walandzisa ama-sponsorships overseas ngoba ngamuntu walike
Yeah,
so
yeah.
ngibonile ukuthi umuntu akadibukeli phasi bonke lapho akadibukeli phasi ngicabanga ukuthi no ngiyakhona-ke nalento letho limit words
Yeah.
there's nothing stopping obviously imali sometimes iyafika is from achieving success but
Yeah.
that's what I mean.
Yeah. Okay, let's talk about the festival ke ngoba besikhuluma ngala mafilimu. I-festival leso uthini sayidzinga la Mpumalanga or second.
Yona shafi is amazing.
Yeah.
Angathi ukuthi bengiyenzele ini but
Yeah.
lokho bengakuyenzeli kuba nebantu labalana
Yeah.
production lengaka and nje support from bantu base Mpumalanga. Balekile and I think that because yinze le program sitobona abantu ngihlukahlukana ngalamalanga ngihlukahlukana beka njengoba vele angisho labanye bakhetha lamanye amalanga la.
Yes.
I'm excited.
Because now you're content creator, are you inspired? Good, okay, now so funa go endal film ngibe banbalela ama prizes, yeah. So uyela la ma rents or
$dollars, what's it about dollars?
yeah. No, na siyabonga. Innovation officer always in my mouth. Ukubhena eMpumalanga International Film Festival. Nakethu ubuya kobabukela ngiyongena endzabeni. Ngibonile nawe stop be66. So wabambe kahle onke lamafilimu ala Mpumalanga. Kama njani?
No, good right, good right. My film, they were so amazing.
Yeah.
I'm actually looking forward to seeing more films. As you know, that there's not really enough content from like Mpumalanga, like Kaya. But I'm also looking forward to this or watching the international act so that we can start to implement them in Mpumalanga. So very exciting. The event was really well organized and very well structured. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the films.
Any collaboration though and
No, for sure. Mzamo is definitely one of my high priorities right now.
Mzamo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to collaborating with him and collaborating with him on a different space, which is creative talk. So maybe the words in my mouth sort of thing. So yeah, I'm just trying to see where I can actually place him within where I want to collaborate with him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sebo. It's now Phumla Music. Usiblessile ngemusic washange exclusive ngibabhlungu mangabe bongekho la because so luzile ke wena la. Phumla ubone ma artists alakhaya nibukelile umsebenzi lomuhle. Ngifuna kuvala uvu lakho because sonke lesikhathi performance sijabulele wena. Ngicabanga sakunika ni feedback ngivani ngiyasho ukuthi ushaye nge-exclusive but kukhona nawe lokubonile lokubukelile so yeah ngicela usixoxele ngaloko nike lapha phakathi
I
ukubonile.
was touched by the number of talent that is coming from here at Kaya, especially in the film industry. I am so shocked, by the way.
Okay.
I'm very shocked and I feel a little bit uneducated.
Yeah.
with how broad the creative industry is like Kaya.
Yeah.
You know, a child from a game
Yeah.
working with an international brand like Timberland, Cadbury, kids around our places that are doing absolutely amicable jobs with what they have.
Yeah.
No funding, it's just the love that you have.
Yeah.
And they remind me of myself.
Yeah.
Because that's exactly what I'm doing in my music career. I'm pushing with no boundaries, I'm pushing with no budget,
Yeah.
I'm pushing with the love, and the love keeps me going. And I'm so happy to actually touch space with people that creates the magic on our screens.
Yeah.
And I actually met a young boy, a cinematographer. We are the people, of course, a cinematographer from Lana again
Yeah.
that is happy to shoot one of my songs
Okay.
as a pro bono, that I will also be putting budget to have that content play on TV. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Miff, you've done an amazing job, and I did a nice open. We are the people indeed, and I will make sure that I close everything on the 10 as well, alongside with him. So ngiyabonga kakhulu kusozilapha.
Uvete ukuthi Bhuti usebenzisane ne-international brand. Story sakhe uthi usukela khaya because bekude emathuba ubuya nawe eLimpopo. Sinokukhala ukuthi vele side tonke letinto nema-resources. Senyalo sinem so uthini mhlambe nge-organization leso lesilethela mathuba e-education nemathuba emsebenzi.
We go to Joburg because of the environment here, like creative.
Yeah.
So having MIF,
Yeah.
like in Mpumalanga, they're absolutely changing the narrative
Yeah.
because now they're involving each and everyone
Yeah.
in the music industry that they can start. I'm talking about makeup artists.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm talking about musicians.
Yeah.
I'm talking about engineers. I'm talking about hairdressers. I'm talking about designers.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm talking about script writers. I'm talking about conceptualizers. So I'm like, I'm so shocked that film can hire so many things,
Yeah.
people,
Yeah.
in one organization.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Kokugcina le ngingafuna sivale ngako sinokukhala ukuthi i-government ayisupport la kube ne-speaker sa-government so mayingena iba involved i-government kuthini kithi ma-artists nema-creatives.
I really want to say this in a way that I won't sound like I don't support you.
Yeah.
But I want to tell you, hey, guys, we need to push whatever we are pushing without pinning it to the government to make it a success.
Okay, yeah.
The government will find you on your way to success, to just support you.
Yeah.
You know, I think many people that are successful today,
Yeah.
they never even bought a finance from the government. They believed in what they believed in, they went far.
Yeah.
With Timberland.
Yeah, yeah.
Agna government that
Man.
was part of that thing, you understand?
Yeah.
As much as we want to be supported, to be seen, to be given a platform
Yeah.
by government, also I feel like we should stop
Yeah.
putting the foot on their necks
Yeah.
as if they now have to fuel their creativity. They need to just support.
Yeah.
They need to just find where we lack. They really don't need to be supporting an idea that has not been alive. You
Yeah.
see, things like MIF, you can then now involve the government because it's stagnant. They've built this thing, they've invested in it.
Yeah.
Just for support's sake, then the government can come in. But my advice is that don't always rely on the government, rely on yourself.
No, sijabulela kakhulu. Ngibongela ukuthi ukhombile ukuthi uyasithanda ubale onke emalokishi.
Sure.
So ngizoyivala njalo siyabonga.
Yeah.
Iphupho lakho namhla livelile na sport mnakethu. Kokucala nje mhlale beve voice yakho kwakumele uPrince Valley Media kunjani?
Ngiyaphila Prince Valley awuze
Yeah.
ngibingelele kwabukeli bakho be-Prince Valley Media.
Yeah.
Ukhuluma ngomzamo Bruce okhona la Mpumalanga. Lo watiwa kakhulu nge-designer le Timberland.
Asithi welcome back. Khosa sabhalela khumbule ekhaya so isitile le documentary. In short case ile awukabi wedwana nibe nalabanye. Asicale ngokuthi ma showcase ekhaya uve njani because ngiyacabanga first time kuba nento lesite ukubukela naso kuba la ekhaya.
Yo ngishowcase ekhaya mfethu. Ngene like ngafila huge, you know, ngafila like futhi grateful.
Yeah.
Ngendlela ecakile because this is my first time was selected for film festival.
Yeah.
You know, so an opportunity like this doesn't come like every time, you know, it only comes like once, and I'm really grateful for it to be selected for my first actually documentary
Yeah.
in my province.
Yeah.
That means a lot for me. Yeah.
I-feedback ibe yihle yonke sijabulele ngoba ngibone wonke umuntu lapha ukhulume positive. Angathi ukuthi mhlambe beba-expectile ngijabulele la isikhathi sikhuluma e-radioini ukuthi le brand le kuningi leto okuveta la, so i-feedback le vele ekhaya uyithathe njani?
I-feedback level ekhaya yinhle kakhulu mfethu. I feel like wonke umuntu ngathi nje uyijabulele.
Yeah.
Yeah, uyijabulele ubona like something le unique, i-project le unique i-showcase ku-cinema le-speak like Stekineko, you know.
Yeah.
Actually this was something bengayicabangi nami ukuthi nje i-documentary le-big so inga-showcase ku-Stekineko like it's local.
Yeah.
But then i-quality yayo it's huge, you know. I feel like that could also inspire another filmmakers from here in Mpumalanga or other producers, you know.
Sihlale sikhala nge-government ngiyibone ikhona kuqala sithi uma sikhuluma emsakatweni
Yeah.
besikhuluma ngale Mpumalanga International Festival ukuthi we happy ukuthi ikhona lesikwendelayo kuma-film makers. I-government iyavela nyalo ukuthi sini mhlambe kuma-content creators nama-film makers.
Lokhu kukhombisa kona ukuthi i-content itokhula ekhaya, i-content itokhula and then quality yayo futhi itothi kunyuka kancane because angithi sitothola i-support from the government. So njengoba ba-showcase interest into our project, that means something cool, you know.
Yeah, hayi nathi sibonga i-project siyabonga.